नहमदु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी यस्सिर वला तुअस्सिर व तम्मिम बिल खैर व बिका नस्तईनु या फ़त्ताह। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम।
We did not send messengers to communities before you and put them to hardships and sufferings, so that they may supplicate in humility. Why then did they not supplicate in humility when a calamity from us came upon them? Instead, their hearts were hardened, and Shaitan adorned for them what they were doing. Thereafter, when they forgot the advice they were given, we opened for them doors of everything, so that when they become proud of what they were given, we seized them suddenly and they were left in despair. Thus the people who did wrong were uprooted to the last man. Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the worlds. Say, tell me, if Allah takes away your hearing and your sights and sets a seal on your hearts, which God other than Allah can bring these back to you? See how we have put forth our verses in various forms, yet still they turn away. Say, tell me, if the punishment of Allah comes upon you, whether suddenly or openly, shall any people be destroyed except the unjust? We do not send the messengers but as bearers of good tidings and as warners. So those who believe and correct themselves, there will be no fear for them, nor shall they grieve. Whereas those who have rejected our signs, torment shall afflict them, because they used to commit sins. Say, I do not say to you that I have the treasures of Allah, nor do I have the knowledge of the unseen, nor do I say to you that I am an angel. I only follow what is revealed to me. Say, are the blind and the seeing alike? Do you then not reflect? Warn with it those who have the fear of being gathered before their Lord, with no one other than Him to support or to intercede. Maybe they become God-fearing. Do not expel those who call out to their Lord morning and evening seeking His pleasure. You are not responsible for anything in their account, and they are not responsible for anything in your account, that you should expel them and thus become one of the unjust. Thus we have tested some of them through others, so that they should say, are these the ones among all of us whom Allah has chosen for His favor? Yes, does Allah not know well who are the grateful? When those who believe in our verses come to you, say to them, peace on you. Your Lord has prescribed for Himself mercy, so that if any one of you does an evil deed out of ignorance and thereafter repents and mends his ways, then you will see that He is most forgiving, very merciful. This is how we explain the verses in detail, so that the way of the guilty may become exposed. Say, I have been forbidden from worshipping those whom you invoke beside Allah. Say, I do not follow your desires, because if I were to do that, I would be going astray and would no more be of those on the right path. Say, I am on clear guidance from my Lord, and you have cried lies to it. That which you demand to be hastened is not up to me. The decision belongs to none but Allah. He relates the truth, and He is the best of all judges. Say, if what you demand to be hastened were up to me, the matter between me and you would have been over. Allah well knows who the wrongdoers are. With Him are the keys of the unseen. No one knows them but He. He knows what is in the land and the sea. No leaf ever falls but that He knows about it. and there is no grain in the dark layers of the earth, or anything fresh or dry that is not recorded in a manifest book. He is the one who recalls your souls by night and knows what you do by day. Then he makes you rise up therein, so that a fixed term may be fulfilled. Thereafter to him are you to return, then he will tell you what you have been doing. He is dominant over his slaves, and he sends guardians over you until when death comes upon one of you. Our deputies take his souls in full, and they neglect nothing from their duties. Then all of them will be returned to Allah, their real master. Behold, his is the judgment, and he is the swiftest of those who take account. Say, who is the one who delivers you from the darkness of the land and the sea when you supplicate him in humility and in low tones, promising, if he delivers us from this, we shall truly become grateful. Say, Allah delivers you from it and from every pain, yet still you associate partners with him. Say, he is fully capable that he should send a punishment from above you or from beneath your feet, or to put you in confusion through divisions and make some of you taste troubles through some others. See how we bring forth explaining verses from different angles so that they may understand. Your people have rejected it, the Quran, while it is the whole truth. Say, I am not appointed as a taskmaster over you. For every event there is a point of time and place to occur, and you will soon know it. When you see those who indulge in blaspheming our verses, turn away from them until they become occupied with some other discourse. If shaitan should cause you to forget this instruction, then do not sit with the unjust people after recollection. Those who fear Allah are not responsible for any evil act in the account of these infidels, except for advising them, so that they may be careful. Avoid those who have taken their faith as fun and games. The worldly life has deceived them. Preach with it, the Quran, lest one should be seized for what he did, in a way that he should have neither a helper besides Allah nor an intercessor. Should he offer every sort of ransom, it will not be accepted from him. Those are the ones who are seized for what they themselves earned. For them, there is a drink of boiling water and a painful punishment because they used to disbelieve.
Barakallahu li wa lakum. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Ameen ya rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.